Hey there, it's Kiefer back with another product info video. Introducing the 1682 LS Tandem Axle 14K Landscape Trailer DIY Master Plan. With this comprehensive plan, you can build your own high-quality landscape trailer from the ground up. The plan includes full-size, engineer-approved blueprints, a detailed cut list with a full bill of materials and welding tips. It's suitable for high school shop and ag classes, industry professionals, and do-it-yourselfers. The trailer has a gross capacity of 14,000 pounds and an empty weight of just 2,030 pounds. It's built with a sturdy angle steel frame and a durable wood deck, and comes equipped with ramps with rear pockets for easy loading and unloading. The plan also has a matching tailored TK trailer kit that's available to ensure that you have all the right parts for the job. So why spend a fortune on a pre-built landscape trailer when you can build your own with a 1682 LS Tandem Axle 14K Landscape Trailer DIY Master Plan? Head on over to thetrailerpartsoutlet.com to get yours today and start building the trailer of your dreams.